Hey Cornelius. Hey Zeus. Listen, I know it's the end of February, so we're a little late for our New Year's resolutions, but it's never too late to make a wish. Well, the first wish is going to be to wish for more wishes and more toys. What? Little wish lanterns? It looks like we've got small, medium, and large. Oh, only one way to make our wish come true. I say, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And this week, we are bringing you Little Wish Lanterns. This is like a whole line of one of those, there's a bajillion little figurines to collect, but there's at least, what I know now, 3 ways to get them. We have tiny little packs where you get one, some sort of, I guess, lantern-esque thing that has a tab that says pull here, which I'm slightly nervous, and then an actual kind of lantern play set. Now, some of these things light up. I don't know what all's going on. There's a lot. So I think we're gonna have a 2-parter. We're gonna open up the tiny ones, small to medium, and save the big ones. Let's get right to it. There's 32 of these things to collect. Oh, it's much larger than I thought. So we got Lucy from Love Lagoon. Ooh. It's basically a Cupid monkey. Oh, sweet. That's kind of cute. It gives you a map of the lovely land of Wishville. I don't know. Wishlandia. Okay, I wasn't that far off by making up Wishland. And then the back shows you all the ones you can get. Oh my god, it's some sort of cat. Lana of the Courage Cliffs. It's basically a cat with a leafy mane. I love it. It feels tiny. Why is it so tiny? It's a bird. Kaya of Love Lagoon? It's like a little lovebird. It's really cute. These apparently come with a little base that helps possibly make them light up. Now I'm concerned, it says to pull, but I don't know, I guess take the plastic off first. Oh god, is this gonna be messy? Okay. It does say pull here. Oh, okay. Things are happening. Oh, wait. What's in there? It's basically this, the inside opens up to another map. That's kind of cute. And we got Hissa of Happiness Hills. Ah, it's a little rainbow. We have a little base, and we put her on. Oh, the base lights up. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Does it work for all of them? You can put any of your little wish things on the base to light them up. That's cool. See if this one pops like it's supposed to. No. Oh, I didn't take the wrapper off. I did it. Look, it worked. We got Hope of Happiness Hills. And now we're lighting up. It's interesting. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the little cards it comes with. They have a little hole. So I guess you could hang these as like other little lanterns, which is kind of cute. Overall, these are really stinking cute. And I love that they're all translucent so you can, I mean, that's the whole point, I guess, is to have them all lighting up with their lantern. What happens when you make a wish? I don't know. I make a wish, but I can't say it. And then, because if I tell you, it won't come true. You know what? Who cares about that? I wish you're all having a great new year so far. It's a wild one, but hopefully you're doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in this week, and make sure you tune in next week for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Maybe we'll be making more wishes. Well, we know we are. We have 1, 2, at least 3 more wishes to make. But these have to be like the bigger, better wishes because they come in a fancy lantern. Well, hopefully your wishes come true until we see you next week. Thanks again. Bye. And here we have our Little Wish Lantern friends. The basic packs and the little lantern base packs. And nighttime light up mode.